touch that 5 for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I touch the 5 for you. I thought I like you, that bitch, I do it all. I won't cry, you scared it. I'm not. Long as you joking, now answer me. I ain't got it. I've been scheming through it. Hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Sweet Life of Shana. You know, it's a girl Shana, of course. Welcome back. So guys, today I'm going to be baking, so just stay tuned if you want to see more, okay? So guys, today I'm going to be baking croissant, so just stay with me because you know this is going to be fun. So just stay tuned and to see the rest and the outcome, okay? Guys, I'm going to wash my hands and then I'm going to get right into it. So we're getting our fry pan ready and our file paper. So now we're going to read the instruction and yeah, see what we have to do. So guys, we're taking it out. So we're going to roll it into 8 pieces. Stay tuned. So guys, I'm twisting it.
No, you're not gonna do that.
Guys, don't laugh, guys. I'm trying my best. Okay. So I'm trying. Don't laugh, guys. I never made this before. I'm getting it, I think.
Okay, I messed up here.
You messed up yours? Hold on. So guys, this is how everything look at the tray. Don't laugh. This is our first, well, my first time, not my niece. Is your first time?
Well, I didn't roll it.
Yeah,
So, yes.
yes, our first time making croissant. So croissant. So bear with us with the shapes, okay? So guys, we this is how it looks. Don't judge, okay? She's going to eat this one right here.
So,
Okay, so you hear her? You hear her, guys? So we're going to we're not going to use the stove. We're going to use the oven. We're not going to use the oven. We're going to use our toaster oven. That's what I mean. So we're going to set it at 350 and so I will see you when it's finished. So guys, the toaster oven is hot, so I let it heat up before I put my croissants in. Don't watch this one, guys. It's hers. I don't know what she's doing, but so okay. So now we're gonna put it in. Put it in. Okay, as you guys can see, now we're gonna time it for 10 minutes. So I'm going to start my timer right now. So guys, they're rising. As you guys can see, I added 2 more minutes to it. So yeah. My sister brought this home for me. Isn't she the sweetest? I love these. Yes, guys. So my croissant is croissant. So my croissant is finished. So I'm going to taste this one.
I'm in the background.
It tastes real good. I'm so proud of myself.
I'm not a part of this.
And my niece who made the dumpling looking one too. So yes, guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, tell a friend to subscribe to the Sweet Life of Shana. So see you guys in the next video. Bye. My croissant tastes good.
Yes, yum.
Thank you. You love it?
Yes.
Should I bake more for you?
Yes, a lot.
Okay, you guys hear my mini vlogger say my croissant is mwah, right? Okay, guys, stay tuned.